Welcome to our trade of the day for October 10, 2014. Today's trade of the day is a short euro position against the US dollar. Before we look at that trade, however, we want to take a look at our proprietary US dollar index. We can see the US dollar index is quite strong here today. This is our activity index. It is above this blue horizontal zero neutral line, indicating the US dollar is strong against other currencies today. Turning over to our trade of the day, our euro position, we have drawn, this is our euro US dollar daily chart. We have drawn retracement levels from the intramonth range, the intramonth low, October 3, just around the 125 figures we can see here, up through yesterday's high, that is the high from October 9th. And then what we did is we drew some retracement lines using yesterday's total daily range. We can see today's high is just above yesterday's 38.2% retracement, coming in at 127.11. That was our entry level. And we exited the trade at 126.79. That is the 38.2% retracement of the intramonth range. That trade was good for a 32-point profit. Moving lower, we could test the 126.45, the 126.10, and the 125.68 areas. Other than the euro against the US dollar, this same trade was evident in other currencies as well. We can see here, we applied the same strategy. We took the intramonth low through the intramonth high. This is the daily chart of the British pound against the US dollar. This is cable. And we look at yesterday's daily range. We can see today's intraday high is right around this 23.6% retracement area, coming in at 161.32. We would have exited this trade at the aforementioned 50% retracement of the intramonth range. That trade in and of itself was worth 45 pips. We can see we have downside target area here, 61.8% retracement of the intramonth range, coming in right around 160.54. We're testing that level right about now. If we get below this area, we should see some stops hit. We also see this trade evident in the dollar against the Swiss franc. We drew the same intramonth range, and we looked at yesterday's daily range, and we can see we have some key levels. Looks like our just reached our target area here in cable, moving back there. Moving back to dollar Swiss, you can see by applying the same strategy, we would have earned anywhere between 20 and 25 pips. One other currency pair where we see this same trade is the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. When we look at the intramonth range, we see that today's high is right around the 38.2% retracement area, coming in right at 78.74. We would have exited that trade right around 78.43. That trade was good for 31 points. And we can see the 78.12 area is a key downside target. So we see a lot of intraday US dollar strength today. Thank you for tuning in to today's trade of the day, a short euro position against the US dollar.